today's Fury is going to be about the baker. Now, I'm going to show you. But I need this to prove up some evidence, so I'll just boot it up. Okay. Ready, set, go. So, the first place that you see the baker is probably going to be in the concept art. But, as you see, you also see him right there. Which I think the baker was cut out as the character in the TV, and because it was easier to implement static instead, and also it would be more work to bring him as a character. But as you see, I think the baker was supposed to have his own TV show, which he does, proven there by a bowl and a person mixing it. Now, as you see, the TV, there's a baker-like figure. Maybe that's the baker before he had his head implemented with metal pipes out of his head to help him cook. Maybe to bring some type of batter into his head and pour it back out. Now, what do I think happened? I think that he also, as well, stared too much into the camera while I think as well, it's the same story as the barber. He got twisted into baking human remains. Now, evidence of this is, I think the rat comes slowly after the TV splits off. Now, I'm also theorizing the baker doesn't only use human remains and also other animals. But I think he just escaped and went for the vents because, as you see, he has blood all over his hands/feet. I think because it was part of his body was chopped off to use for the show. And Steve still mixing it. You can see the rat. Now, this Fury does come with some evidence, but I also think that the baker was also once a viewer, but since he got no face and couldn't hear, he started making his own baking show until the Fin Man replaced his place in the world and the Baking Man was left unkept. But the baker, or I'm just going to call him the baker, is here in the TV show, indicating that this is before the Fin Man took over. I think the baker was in charge of making the TV channels for the Fin Man to control, and he was the only one that was left with an actual mind and an actual thing he could ever do, but was forced to make the TV show. Now guys, I hope you liked that Fury video, and this is the Fury about the baker. Now bye!